Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will take a quick look at how to use the OnceHub API to retrieve a user's scheduling availability. So let's get started. To begin, we will head over to the account integration section and grab our API key. Once we got the API key, the next stop is the Developer Center. That is developers.oncehub, our API reference page. Once we are here, we need to use the functionality under users, that is get scheduling availability. Now, for a comprehensive view, I'll open our API client. Here, first thing is let's validate the API key. Once the key is ready, let's head over to the user functionalities, that is, and head over to get scheduling availability. Now, to run this function, the first thing that we need is the API key, which is in place. The next value is the user ID. So let's head over to the list all the users function. With the API key in place, once I click send, I have a list of all the users on the account. Now, for the demo, I'll go ahead and retrieve the availability for Henry here. Now, with the API key in hand, let's head back to get scheduling availability, enter the user ID in place, and run. So this gives me the list, or this lists the scheduling availability that is being offered by Henry. So let's take a look at what we have in the body here. So it gives me the time zone that is set for his availability. Then we can see Sunday, as there is no working hours, it is blank. Next up is Monday. We see the start time is 9 and end time is 7. And below lists the location. So this is of in-person meeting. And here is the address where the meeting would be scheduled for. Then we have all the different virtual meeting options like WebEx, GoToMeeting, and Google Meet listed below. Similarly, let's check out for Tuesday. So Tuesday, there is a slight of a difference. That is like the start time is 9 and end time is 4. And we have our in-person location, which is again our address listed here. Just underneath that, we have the list of all the other video conferencing options and phone option available. Then there is a break, and then there is another start time, which is 4, end time is 7, and this is our in-person scheduling time only. So this availability is offered for in-person meeting at this particular location. So this is how you can get a list of all the available locations, the available time slots, everything, and the scheduling availability listed for a relevant user using our API. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.